In economics, we start with effective demand. This isn't just wanting something. It's the desire for a product backed by the ability to actually pay for it.
Exactly. This scales up from an individual's demand to market demand, which is simply the sum of all individual demands. The same logic applies to individual and market supply.
But what drives demand, besides price? These are the determinants, like changes in income, advertising, or tastes. These factors are crucial for understanding the market.
And on the flip side, supply has its own determinants. Think of things like the costs of raw materials, new technology, or even government taxes and subsidies.
When one of those demand determinants changes, say, a surge in population, the entire demand curve shifts. It shows a change in demand at every single price point.
Likewise, if a new technology makes production cheaper, the whole supply curve shifts to the right, as firms are now willing to supply more at every price.
This leads us to a vital distinction that trips many students up: the difference between a shift of a curve and a fine movement along it.
A movement along a curve is caused only times by a change in the product's own price. If the price falls, a consumer simply moves down along their existing demand curve.
Whereas a shift, as we said, is caused by a non-price determinant. A rise in consumer income, for example, moves the whole curve, changing the underlying conditions of demand.
So a flash sale on trainers is a movement along the curve. An unusually rainy summer decreasing demand for those trainers? That's a shift of the entire curve.
Getting this right is fundamental. It allows you to analyze everything from fluctuations in the price of coffee to the dynamics of the housing market.
It really does transform graphs into real-world stories. We hope this quick explainer helped. Like and follow us for more.